So, ayan, good morning ma'am, good morning classmates. So, I am going to report environmental strategy. Nasa sa PPT but I am going to explain it into sa nakapilipin siya sa base, sa Philippine base. So what is environmental strategy? A business approach that integrates environmental sustainability into corporate operations. For example, companies using renewable energy sources and reducing waste. In the Philippines, this is particularly relevant due to the country's rich biodiversity. Filipino businesses can focus on efficient use of natural resources, like for example, water and energy, especially in the industries like agriculture. Businesses can develop products that utilize local and sustainable materials. And then we have these next topics: sustainable business that adapt environmentally friendly practices to reduce their ecological footprint. So we have this for ano siya, while using organic and natural materials, reducing carbon emissions, and then ensuring ethical labor practices. In the Filipino companies can adapt the sustainable to mitigate their environmental impact. Uh, Businesses in the Philippines can not only contribute environmental sustainability but also enhance their competitiveness and support the country's development goals. This approach helps ensures that the economic growth does not come at the expense of the environment or local communities. No, so we have this 10 World Business Council for Sustainable Development, or SD. So we have this number one, SD. Business is good for SD, and SD is good for business. SD means for sustainable development. Sustainable development practices can enhance business performance, while successful business can contribute positively to sustainable development. And we have this number two: business cannot succeed in societies that fail. Siyempre no, kinahanglan stable and healthy ang societies no to survive the business. And then number 3, poverty is a key enemy to stable societies, no? Siyempre no, to stable environments where business can operate effectively. One of the reason why wala pa yung mga kayo mo invest sa Manila kay wala gamay ra ang population siguro. And then dili po siya sa city, but that's why wala kay invest nga dagko nga malls. And then number 4, access to markets for all supports to SD, no? Ensuring that all individuals and communities have access to SD, or sustainable development. And we have this number 5: good governance is needed to make business a part of solutions. And yes, an effective good governance where business can contribute to sustainable development. And then number 6, business has to aim its license to operate and grow, no? Siyempre no, sa Manolo natay daily nga business permit nga renewal, no? License. And then number 7, innovation and technology devices are crucial to SD, or sustainable development, no? To improve efficiency sa isa ka business, no, ang technology karon, no, mas mapadali. And then number 8, eco-efficiency, doing more with less. It's at the core of business for sustainable development. To minimize waste as a way to enhance profitability, syempre. And then number 9, ecosystem imbalance is a prerequisite for business. Syempre, a healthy environment is essential for long-term business, no? Syempre, no, kinahanglan nga healthy ang environment sa isa ka business para magdugay. And then number 10, cooperation beats confrontation, no? Collaboration among business. And we have this next topic: environmental ethics. It is the discipline in philosophy that studies the moral relationships of human beings to, and also the value and moral status of the environment and its non-human contents. Environmental ethics, the moral relationships between humans and the environment, These include ethical implications of human actions into the natural world. So we have this the MDGs, the United Nations Millennium Development Goals, were adopted by the Philippines. Uh, were adopted by MDGs, yeah, which means the United Nations Millennium Development Goals were adopted by the Philippines to address critical issues as poverty, education and health. Um, but the country aimed to achieve focusing on eradicating extreme poverty, improving maternal health, and ensuring environmental sustainability. The MDGs provide a framework for the Philippines to align its national development strategies with global efforts. No? So we have this last topic, and environmental justice, equal access to environment protection and participation in policy making regardless of race, gender, or income, as no, to prevent marginalized communities from facing disproportionate environmental harm, and then ensures fair distribution of resources. Um, in the Philippines, the principle of equal access to environmental protection and participation in policymaking, regardless of race, gender, or income, is essential for essential for promoting social justice and sustainable development. No, for sustainable development. And then we have the three dimensions of environmental justice. One is longevity, the ability to have an healthy life. And the second is education, the ability to read, write, and standard of living. Education, the ability to read, write, and acquire knowledge. And the ability to, last is the ability to enjoy a decent standard of living, have a socially meaningful life. So that's it, my topic, no. One is environmental strategy, and then sustainable business, and environmental ethics and environmental justice, no. So I don't have the one, but I have the learning objectives in my module ay PPT nga kan, so wala na siya na-appeal diri og sulat, so I will report it nasa sa module gapon. So thank you, that's all, and God bless.